David, how you doing over there in the live Apple chat? You still alive? Let me look it over here. How's the live Apple? How's Apple doing?
Uh,
Apple's oh,
Closed out my last runner when we held under VWAP just a
yep.
few minutes ago, so I'm not in anything currently, but I've locked in $1,412.18.
Oh my gosh. You guys hear that? Another $1,412 for David over there.
Think he's like the Energizer Bunny. He just keeps going and going and
Oh,
going.
he's over 6 months green every day. David, did you ever get to look back and see exactly how long it's been green every day? I don't know if you had a chance.
No, but I know in my notebook I have a note the last day I took over a 3% hit in my account was December of 22. I was going through my notes, and that's a big highlighted one.
Yeah.
And I actually that day I took a 10% hit in my account, and I think that was the changer. Was
Yes.
like you need to buckle down, if not, you're gonna blow shit up. So
Yep. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's phenomenal.
And today Apple was very difficult.
Yeah, exactly.
so
Yeah, Apple very tough. So making that kind of money in the chop is just it's beautiful.